Okay, so today I will be showing you about Desmos. And so in Desmos, you kind of like graph lines and stuff and charts, and you can do all sorts of stuff. So I'm going to show you a little bit about it. For reference, I am wanting to teach like maybe like middle school, 6th grade math. So this would come in handy for that age group. So first I'll just write a formula. Students can use this if like they if it's on a worksheet or something like that, and then it kind of gives them like a visual representation of what it looks like. So I'll write down three equations. Okay. So there students can see that these three lines, what they look like, where they intersect, and like all sorts of things. So say that I wanted to find a specific point where the green line and the purple line meet, then I can just put my cursor over it and it gives me that point right here. So if I wanted to, I could put that intersection point. So was it 4? No. So 4/3, and then it would be -2/3. Okay, so then it just marks that dot for me and it won't go away. And yeah. You could also, they have like a label feature right here, and so then it kind of keeps that number popped up, but we won't do that right now. This line would be at -1/2 and 3, so I'll mark that. What did I do? Okay, let's mark that. And then finally the last line, -6, -8, last intersection point. All right, so I have all of my intersection points. If I wanted to see the X and Y axis, then again, I can just kind of like move my mouse over and it gives me that nice intersection point. So if I wanted to, I could label that. There we go. Also, if we were talking about like feasible regions and stuff, then I can, here, let me just change. You can go back, instead of the equal sign, I could make like positive or a less than or equal to sign, and you just kind of pop. You can just kind of pop that back up again, and I will make this a y is less than or equal to. I'll make this one a y is greater than or equal to, and I will make this one a y is less than again. So here you can kind of see like it shades it for you. And so if I'm talking about like the feasible region, which is like the area where all of the areas can like fit, or all of them fit into one area, it would be this middle area right here. As you can see, it's kind of like a darker shade than all of the other ones. So this is the area where all of the lines meet and can fit together. So yeah, there's lots of different functions.